my problem. Today I'm in Osaka, Japan. Osaka Station Hotel Autograph Collection opening day. My room is 3529 corner room. This is evacuation route. My room is here, just corner. Walk-in closet. Just here. Safety box, laundry. Check. Walk through, go to the water closet, and Japanese Toto. Oh, robotic machine. Japanese Toto, nice. And 2 bowls. And plus amenities. Very nice combination, like puzzle, included cotton and mouthwash, and this hairbrush, buzzer, toothbrush, and juice set. For the environment, because bottle types. Bath salt and towel, skincare set, bathtub and shower, and rain shower. And this is view bath. Scenery and also west area direction. Look like sweet room. Coffee machine is espresso and glasses. Minibar. This is Japanese sake, original brand, Eijika, nice time means hotel making original, and this is free. Very nice. Message and amenities. This is bathroom, like not we have yukata, bed control, and USB and 2 types AC adapter, and multiple output USB and Type C and iPhone and this is cool. Now just very nice view. Osaka Station, JR Japan Railways. Very nice train view. over there, Ritz-Carlton, Osaka. Nice view. Hi, this is Osaka Station Hotel autograph collection. Thank you for watching my follower. Hi, goodbye.